Why does the US dollar remain the most powerful currency in the world? From buying oil to international trade, the dollar plays a role in almost every corner of the global economy. But in recent years, the value of the US dollar has increased significantly compared to many other currencies. So, what is causing the dollar to become stronger? Today, we will explore the major reasons behind the rise of the US dollar and understand how one of the biggest reasons behind the strength of the US dollar is its position as the world's leading reserve currency. Many countries keep US dollars as part of their foreign currency reserves because the United States has one of the largest and most stable economies in the world. Global businesses also use dollars for international transactions, especially for commodities like oil and natural gas. Because so many countries and companies need dollars, demand for the currency remains high. 2. Higher interest rates by the Federal Reserve. Another major factor is interest rates. The U.S. Federal Reserve, which manages America's monetary policy, increased interest rates to control high inflation. When interest rates rise, investments in U.S. assets such as government bonds can become more attractive because investors may earn higher returns. As investors around the world move money into U.S. markets, they need to buy more dollars. Higher demand for the dollar can increase its value compared to other currencies. 3. Strength of the U.S. economy. The strength of the American economy also plays an important role. The United States has a large consumer market, strong technology companies, a powerful financial system, and a highly developed infrastructure. During times of uncertainty, many investors consider the U.S. economy a safer place to invest. This confidence often increases demand for U.S. dollars. 4. Global uncertainty and the safe haven effect. The dollar often becomes stronger during global crises. When there is political instability, economic problems, or uncertainty in international markets, investors usually look for safer assets. Because of the size and stability of the U.S. financial system, many investors turn toward the dollar during difficult times. This is known as the safe haven effect. 5. Weakness of other currencies. The rise of the dollar is not only because the U.S. economy is strong. Sometimes other currencies become weaker. For example, if another country faces high inflation, economic problems, or lower interest rates, its currency may lose value compared to the dollar. So, when the dollar becomes stronger, part of the reason can be the challenges faced by other economies. Impact of a strong dollar. A stronger dollar has both advantages and disadvantages. For Americans, a strong dollar can make imported goods, travel, and foreign products cheaper. However, it can also make American exports more expensive for buyers in other countries, which can affect some businesses. For other countries, a stronger dollar can increase the cost of imports and make dollar-based debt harder to repay. Conclusion: the rise of the US dollar is the result of many factors working together. Its global importance, higher interest rates, economic strength, investor confidence, and challenges in other currencies. The dollar's power is not based on just one reason. It is built on decades of economic influence and global trust. As the world economy continues to change, the US dollar will remain one of the most important forces shaping global finance. If you found this video informative, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos about money, business, and the global economy.